How are your hips feeling today? With all of the sitting that we do, our hips can feel pretty tight. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. Are you ready to put a little swing back into your hips? Come on, let's get started. The next is to open up the hip flexor. We'll do what I call a curtsy. That's the best way I can describe it. Taking one leg back and bring it around as best you can behind you. You can bend both knees to do that. I'll turn a little sideways so you can see. Just like a little curtsy before the queen. Something important though to think about, your hips, I'll look at you, your hip bones should both be facing forward. So you might think, oh, I really want to go far back, and then you turn your hip, but that doesn't work the hip flexor. So taking your foot just a little bit behind you so that you can keep your hips pointing forward, bending in the knee. Maybe give a little squeeze to those inner thighs. And come up and out of it. We'll try that on the other side. So taking your foot behind you and then all the way around and back. Take your hips, even if you have to turn them with your hands. Take your hips so that they're facing forward, bending at the knee. And from here, give it a little squeeze. And release and shake that out. And that's it. Take 5 yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.